Many men and boys often feel insecure about their penile length, which can affect their self-esteem and personal relationships. The myth that bigger is better is perpetuated by companies selling products claiming to enlarge the penis. But what is the average penile length, and how can you measure yours correctly? Let's find out. I am Dr. Fabio. Avatar created using artificial intelligence. I am a consultant andrologist and urologist, as well as the founder and director of the Holistic Andrology Clinic in London. I am here to bring you the facts. Several studies have measured the average penile length in different races. One such study looked at 600 Caucasian men in the UK and recorded the following dimensions: pendulous length, flaccid length, 3.4 inches. Penipubic length, 4 inches. Stretched length, 5.6 inches. When comparing studies across multiple races, the average stretched penile length ranges from 3.5 to 6.6 inches. Remember, these are just averages and individual results may vary. To measure your penile length accurately, follow these steps. Make sure you're in a room with normal temperature. Position a ruler or measuring tape at the base of the penis, where it attaches to the body. Press into the pubic bone as far as you can, especially if there's a lot of belly fat. Measure from the base to the end of the tip glands without the foreskin. You can take measurements when your penis is flaccid, stretched, and erect to get a better understanding of your size. So, there you have it. The average penile length and how to measure it correctly. Remember, it's perfectly normal to feel anxious about your size, but don't let it affect your self-esteem or relationships. Embrace your body and focus on what matters most, being a caring and loving partner. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content like this.